Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to upload files from your computer to ASANA, the 2025 version. First up, open ASANA on your browser and navigate to the project where you want to upload the file. The reason we do this first is to ensure we're placing our file exactly where we want it to be, keeping our workspace organized. Having done that, click on the task where you want to add your file. This task will house your file, making it accessible for everyone who has access to the task. Remember, the right task is crucial for easy file retrieval in the future. Now let's upload the file. Look for the paperclip icon, usually located at the top right of your task. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select your computer. This step is the actual gateway that connects ASANA to your computer files. Once you've clicked your computer, a File Explorer window will pop up. Browse through your files, select the one you want to upload, then click Open. This allows you to choose the file you want to share with your team on ASANA. After clicking Open, ASANA will begin to upload your file. You'll see a progress bar, and once it's full, your file has been successfully uploaded. Now that we've done that, you might be wondering why this step is important. Well, uploading files directly to ASANA can significantly improve your team's collaboration. It keeps important documents in one place, making them easily accessible to everyone on the team. And that's it. You've now successfully uploaded a file from your computer to ASANA. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial. Goodbye for now.